Welcome friends. Today I'll show you how to give OTG connection to Redmi Note 7 Pro phone. To give OTG connection to the phone, you have to take an OTG first and take pendrive in hand. Then connect this to nicely. I am giving OTG pendrive connected well. After giving the connection, I will restart the phone in my hand. Press then reboot now. After my phone is restarted, I'll show you how to make an OTG connection. So I have to wait for the phone to turn on. Wait few seconds. Now when turn on this phone, showing a new interface. Then after my phone is now turned on, I will take the OTG and pendrive in my hand. Connect it to the phone. Connect it to the phone. After connecting, my OTG will support, but then I can use the files of this pendrive. If I want to check this file, wait few seconds. Now connected my OTG and scroll down, showing a OTG file option USB drive. Press then USB drive. Press then is USB drive, showing this file, showing this pen drive file, and use this file. And press back and unconnected this device. Unplug this pen drive and scroll down button, not showing this pen drive option. Again connected this pen drive, showing a USB file option, USB drive option, showing this option USB drive, and press and showing my pen drive file. So viewers, if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel and